Everyone, and welcome back. As you can see from the title, today I have some decluttering motivation for you. If you have been looking for some to tackle that task, this video is for you. So join me today. So this is just a compilation of different things that I've been decluttering around the house for the last couple of days. So I hope this gives you the motivation that you are looking for to just quickly give your house a quick declutter, especially in those areas that you have been neglecting for some time. So I hope this video gives you every single thing that you need. I have got a few, I'm sure as you can tell, it's like only 3 minutes, about a 4-minute video, but it actually took me about 10 minutes to clean most of these spaces. So I will be making a longer video for you if you are looking for longer motivation. So if you are enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are looking for cleaning motivations and how-to videos, this channel is for you. So I'm going to quickly sort this out because it's currently a mess. I did wash all my brushes the other day, so I'm going to put them back where they stay. So there's all my brushes that I cleaned. I'm just going to leave them here for a second. So I am now going to set a timer for 10 minutes. I'm hoping I can do all this in 10 minutes. By the way, I have obviously edited the video, so it's not going to be a full 10-minute video. But like I said, just set a timer and give yourself the opportunity to declutter as fast as you can. Whilst I'm here, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you, everybody that has subscribed to the channel and everyone that has been with me from the beginning. We're now at 300 subscribers, and I'm so happy to be part of this amazing community where we share cleaning ideas, motivation, and yeah, it's actually really awesome to be part of such an amazing community. So thank you so much to everyone that takes the time out of their day to comment on my videos and to share and to basically always be there to support me. So I really appreciate you. All my brushes and there, the ones that I don't use often. I use you, use you, and you, and then everything else can go inside. Everything else can stay in there. So that's it for me, guys. I'm basically putting everything back. I'm putting all my little palettes together. I'm quite minimalistic when it comes to makeup, so I just store and buy things that I actually need and I store them. But yeah, so I hope this video was very motivating and give you all the energy and motivation for you to tackle the task and that drawer that you've been avoiding. So I will see you guys on the next video. And if you can't wait until then, please check out any of my other videos on this channel. I've got a massive playlist of all my videos, so hopefully you can find something for yourself. So I did all this with 19 seconds to spare, so this was a really good task. I hope you guys have a really good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.